Yo, CPA Strength here, back again with another video. We's going to work. You gonna be going to work with CPA Strength today. Yeah, 7:05, I just left the gym, so, yeah, I'm right on time. I got there a little bit late today. Baby didn't get his 8 hours of sleep last night, so he's tired. I'm super tired, and workout wasn't all that. You know, I'm going to a new gym here. I've been going to a new gym here, just the layout's better, and I drive by the H&R Block that I worked at, and that was five years ago I worked at that H&R Block. Seems like, I don't know, it seems like forever, but just yesterday that I was at the H&R Block and was finishing that up. Holy shit. Yeah, there's just fucking traffic everywhere. You got people walking across the street. So yeah, where is the HR Block is right over, did I get it? Yeah, I think I got a little bit of it. It was right there, the HR Block. So that was 5 years ago. And I just can't believe, like, 5 years is nothing really, you know, in the scheme of things. And this is you know, just trying to help me out a little bit this video. Like, I'm just tired today. I'm like, what am I doing? And I just think about that H&R Block was 5 years ago. I finished it up. Finished my time over there. And now I look back like, man, what a great experience. I guess before the H&R Block, I'm gonna roll my windows down. It's hot. It's like January. Yeah, we have our air conditioning on. I was over at my friend's house January 23rd. We had the air conditioning on yesterday. Yeah, buddy. So, and then that was 5 years ago. 10 years ago, I drove this is Federal Highway. So 10 years ago, I drove in this road here, Federal Highway, to the airport, where I started at a temp service. That's kind of what you do when you don't have really any skills, not a good work history. You started a temp service for like $8 an hour somewhere. Actually, when I started, that was 10 years ago, give or take. Right around 10 years ago. So at that time, I had lost my license for various things. You know, that happens when you're living a life of drugs and alcohol. You lose your license and then you have to take the bus. So that was 10 years ago. So it's like, you know, 10 years ago I'm taking a bus on this road, going to a job making $8 an hour. 5 years ago I graduated FAU, go Owls, salute the hoot. We did really good in football this year. We got our new stadium. We ballin' dog. That's because I'm an alumni, of course. But 5 years ago, I was going down this road to the H&R Block. And now currently I'm going down this road to the gym. And 10 years ago, working at the airport, I was installing runway lights because they did a big expansion on the airport. So I don't know why this came to my mind, but I was the only white guy in the crew. My boss was Jamaican, and then there was another Jamaican dude on the crew, Wagwan, what up? And the other two dudes were black dudes from around here, and fuck, I loved it, man. We listened to Steve Harvey every morning. He had Strawberry Confessions, and I mean, you know, those were some good dudes, man. But yeah. So it's like just time, and one, you know, I guess in my everyday thing, it seems like, God, I don't get anything done. And I've done a video, and it's a Tony Robbins video, but this is like, I need to get my own medicine. So that's what that is. That's what this video is. Like, I'm getting my own medicine, I guess. You know, I do this day-to-day grind stuff, and I'm learning, I love my schedule. That's what makes me the most happy, is when I do my schedule. I know other people don't understand and think it's ridiculous. My schedule's ridiculous and it's stupid, and I understand it's rigid and dumb, and it feels like I don't do anything, but you know, I'm having small little goals. Like, my goals now are to have a good tax season, show up every day and do tax work, and work on my clients that pay me money. That's all. That's my only goal. After that, I'm gonna look. I have a couple months. I'm gonna secure my own. Then I have a couple months to secure my own place. I want to put my own lease on my own place for a year. I think I can really flourish then. So those are my only two goals. And I'm learning now that I don't have to do a bunch of other stuff, because if I just concentrate on those small goals, it'll happen. You know, on the day-to-day basis, it doesn't seem like I'm doing anything, but when I go 10 years back, because I go forward a little bit every day, yeah, it seems like I am doing a lot. Also, I believe I will make a video soon on this, but it's been kind of on my mind, because also that federal highway that we just went on, that's kind of by downtown area that we just went through, that road right there. It seems a lot of stuff happened to me, and right around there was the last time I drank alcohol. I just looked the other day, February 2nd will be 5 years since I've had a drop of alcohol. And I can almost look at like the first 35 years, I did about the same amount as I've done in the past 5 years. For me, I think it's a big enough deal that I quit drinking alcohol 5 years ago. That's gonna get its own video on February 2nd. It's just all this stuff. It's like 5 years ago, I worked at the H&R Block, and 5 years ago I quit drinking. 10 years ago I was going to the airport as a temp laborer, and I guess the message is, yeah, just keep on grinding. You know, that's my message. Is just keep on grinding. We're almost to the office now, so I do this early morning so I don't sit in traffic, because I just try to get the most out of my day. Like, I'm super happy when I have all my stuff. I have my food. Like, yeah, I have my meal prepped here, my lunch prepped. Got my exercise in for the day. So I'm super happy when I keep my schedule, or I'm super happy when I have everything and I don't have to leave my office, because I find it stressful out here. Like, I'm always thinking I'm gonna get an accident, get arrested, all this stuff. Anyways, here's one, I don't know if you see a homeless gentleman that pretty much lives at my building here, which is fine. It is what it is. Oh, there's a couple more. There's another homeless gentleman's over here. I'm in a quiet mood today. I just want nobody to notice me and all this stuff. So yeah, this is my morning routine. This was just, I don't know, put your head down and grind for a while, and you know, just chip away at goals every little bit. Don't get discouraged if it doesn't seem like stuff happens on the daily basis, because I guess on the day-to-day it won't seem like you're doing anything, but you know, make 3, 4, 5, 6-minute goals or 6-month goals. I don't know. I'm trying to think about closing this video out. And what's going on? Oh, because I was in the tunnel. So yeah, this is my drive. This is my drive to work in the morning, and I'm glad to bring you guys with me. I thank you for watching the videos. I'm sorry this wasn't an accounting video, but now we's really out. This is CPA Strength. Just stay grinding, bro. Grinding is fun. Anyways, until tomorrow, deuces.